From silent streets, shadowed by empty buildings, to relics of once thriving communities, today we embark on a journey through the echoes of civilization. Join us as we explore the top 10 most mysterious abandoned towns worldwide. Our first stop is Prypiat, Ukraine. Established in 1970 and abandoned in 1986 due to the catastrophic Chernobyl nuclear disaster, this town sits in haunting silence. Time here is eternally frozen on April 26, 1986. The personal belongings left behind in a rush tell a harrowing tale of panic and sudden departure. What's chilling is the radiation level, which, although lower than it was decades ago, still poses risks. Explorers must visit with caution. Next, we travel to the sands of Namibia, where the desert reclaims the once bustling diamond mining town of Kolmanskop. Founded in the early 1900s, this town flourished as diamonds were frequently found lying on the sand, ready to be picked up by anyone. But as the diamonds dwindled, so did the inhabitants, leaving behind a ghost town slowly being engulfed by sand dunes. Today it stands as a stark reminder of nature's power to reclaim. Across the Atlantic in the USA lies Body, California. Established as a mining town in 1876, this town boomed during the gold rush era, but was gradually abandoned as the mines were depleted. Preserved in a state of arrested decay, Bodie offers a frozen glimpse into a once thriving town's daily life, with items left as if residents would return any moment. It's an authentic snapshot of the American Wild West. Off the coast of Nagasaki, Japan, lies Hashima Island, or as it's often called, Gunkanjima, Battleship Island. Once the most densely populated place on Earth, this island was known for its undersea coal mines. Inhabited from 1887 until 1974, the island was abruptly abandoned when the coal reserves were depleted. Now, surrounded by sea, it stands isolated, a ghostly monument to industrialization. Nestled in the Italian region of Basilicata, Craco's history dates back to the 8th century BC. Over centuries, it faced plagues, famines, and earthquakes, which eventually led to its abandonment in 1991. Today, it's a popular filming location, offering stunning views and a hauntingly beautiful insight into a medieval past intertwined with modern ruin. Oradour-sur-Glane in France stands as a stark memorial to the horrors of war. On June 10, 1944, this village was the site of a massacre by Nazi soldiers who killed 642 inhabitants and then burned the village. The ruins have been left untouched as a testament and memorial to those lost, serving as a powerful reminder of the atrocities of war and the resilience of memory. Over in Turkey, the hillside ghost town of Kayaköy whispers stories of a multicultural past. Abandoned after the Greco-Turkish War in the 1920s, this town once housed both Turkish and Greek residents living together harmoniously. Today, it stands empty, with over 350 homes, 2 churches, and schools speaking volumes of its once vibrant community life. In the harsh deserts of Chile, the twin ghost towns of Humberstone and Santa Laura tell a forgotten tale of nitrate mining boom and bust. These towns thrived in the early 20th century, driven by the demand for saltpeter used in fertilizers and explosives. Abandoned in 1960 after synthetic alternatives of nitrate were developed, these towns are now UNESCO World Heritage Sites, preserved as monuments to the industrial age. Deep in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil lies Fordlandia, an ambitious but failed project by Henry Ford to create a rubber plantation and a model American town in the 1920s. Intended to secure a source of rubber for Ford's automobile production, the project failed due to logistical and ecological challenges, leaving behind a ghost town enveloped by the jungle. Our final destination takes us back to the USA, to Rhyolite, Nevada. Born during the gold rush boom of the early 1900s, this town was filled with hope and dreams. However, it was short-lived, and by 1920, it was deserted. Today, the remains of this once bustling town stand as silent guardians of forgotten dreams, attracting photographers and history enthusiasts. These towns, each with their unique stories of rise and decline, remind us of the transient nature of human enterprises. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the echoes of civilization. Until next time, keep exploring and uncovering the mysteries of our world.